I wish you and welcome to all. In 2024 parliament election, the BJP will lose its maximum majority. It will not get maximum majority in 2024 parliament election. In 2014 parliament election, the BJP contested 28 Lok Sabha in Karnataka and won 17 seats. And 2018 also contested 27 Lok Sabha and won 25 seats. But in 2024, surely it will lose its few seats. And Uttar Pradesh, 2014 contested 28 and won 71. But in 2019, it contested 28 and won only 62. In Madhya Pradesh, contested 29, won 27, and in 2019 contested 29, won 28. Surely it will lose their few seats in 2024. In 2014, the BJP won 282 seats and formed the government with individuality. And 2019 also, the BJP won 303 seats and formed the government with individuality. But in 2024, surely it will lose its minimum seats. Nearly it will get up to 260 seats. It needs some seats from externally. That time the ADMK will support with externally to form the government to BJP. In Tamil Nadu, the ADMK will get maximum seats in 2024 parliament election. Thank you all.